Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dyson HD01 has a frayed cable, you're not alone. This wear and tear can happen over time, especially if the cable gets pinched or pulled frequently. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, and your vacuum may not work at all, which can be quite inconvenient. To repair your frayed cable, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement cable suitable for the Dyson HD01, electrical tape, and a pair of scissors. Now, let's begin the repair. First, ensure that your Dyson HD01 is unplugged and completely turned off. Start by removing the screws located at the base of the handle using your screwdriver. Be gentle when prying open the casing to avoid breaking any clips or damaging the plastic. Once the casing is open, you will see the frayed cable. It's usually connected to the motor and the main control board. Carefully trace the cable to locate where it is damaged. Use your scissors to cut the damaged section, leaving a bit of extra length for connecting the new cable. Now, disconnect the old cable from the motor and the control board by gently unscrewing the terminals. Remember to note how the original cable was wired, as you will need to replicate this with the new cable. Take your replacement cable and strip the ends to expose the copper wires. Connect the new cable to the terminals in the same way the original was connected. Make sure the connections are secure to prevent future issues. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, carefully place the casing back onto the unit and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Double check that there are no loose parts and that everything is in its proper place. Now, plug in your Dyson HD01 and turn it on to test if the new cable has resolved the issue. If the vacuum works properly, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your Dyson. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to handle the cable with care, avoiding sharp bends or pulling on it excessively when using the vacuum. Regularly check the cable for signs of wear and tear, and consider using cable organizers to keep it tidy. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.